Okay, let's go pick Dennis up from work. Also, don't look at that. Just look at me. That's all you see. Nothing. Bedroom, no.
Ooh, hi. Nice to see you. What a great work date.
We're finally together. Now we just need to figure out what to do.
I really want to go to Jean Talon Market.
We got 2 chicken empanadas, a very long empanada. It's hot, but it smells very good.
It smells very good.
Yes, okay. You're gonna watch me test it?
Taste test. Is it good?
It is a good empanada.
I'm excited.
Okay, now you have to try it.
I'm very excited. I love empanadas. It is quite long. That's a good empanada.
Okay, we were debating getting the custard tart, but I think we should do it. It's our favorite dessert.
So we got our pastel de natache.
We love these things. They're our favorite dessert. Cheers.
Cheers.
This isn't dead.
It's not very good. I feel like this is gonna give me a stomach ache. Oh well, we got our snack. Let's go home and pack.
Okay, so we're back from the market now. It's really fun. We'll definitely be going back to get a lot of our produce. Today is Tuesday, August 22nd. This video actually has to be out by this Friday at like noon, so there's kind of like a crunch to get everything filmed and done. In the meantime now, we're kind of just getting ready for our next trip.
Reid is gonna get started on dinner while I pack for New York. And then I'm gonna be meeting Reid in Toronto. I think we're gonna be gone for almost 2 weeks. Be quite a bit of packing. And let's see what we're gonna bring. Okay, hi. On the first night when we're in New York, we're gonna go to a rave and it's gonna be cat themed. So I brought cat ears because we're all gonna dress as cats. These are so cute, I actually really like this. It kind of goes with the hoodie right now. I feel like a bat. I don't know, I have a couple of things here that I wanna take with me. There's like some like slutty things that I wanna take with me. It doesn't really look like a shirt. Should I show you what it looks like? Let's show you what it looks like. Let's see. It's giving The Little Mermaid. She's stuck in a net. I also think it's inside out because the glitter and stuff is underneath. So this is what I could look like at a cat rave. Meow, meow, meow. I was also thinking about doing this with like, hold on. Ta-da! So I'm thinking about potentially wearing these like trip style like raver pants or like goth pants. Does this look cute? Okay, the button just got undone. They will fit. I promise you they will fit. Let's show Reid to see what he thinks. What do you think of this outfit for a potential cat rave?
Perfect for a rave,
I think it's cute. Cute. Okay, so we're definitely gonna take this with us. Okay, also, if it gets like really warm one day, I feel like this would be like a cute outfit to go gay clubbing in if we do end up doing gay clubbing. And they're just like these like baggy denim shorts with like this, it's like Paris Hilton Y2K shirt. So I'm not sure about this outfit because I feel like this is like if I'm going to a gay club and I really want to kind of like stunt. This girl gets wild at the bar. I think she drinks too much tequila and yells at the bartender when they cut her off. I'm gonna bring it. This is gonna be me at the club. Cute? Is it cute? I think it's cute. Okay, next. So the next outfit is kind of like a day look, probably going to the pool or whatever. So I have this Champions crop tank that I've never worn yet. And then I have these Adidas swim trunks that I kind of like to wear for like everything. I think it makes me look like I play soccer. When I don't play soccer, soccer scares me. So I like this, but I feel like I'm gonna look better with like a similar pant. Yeah, I think this vibe is a lot better. I just feel like a dancer. Like I could dance in this outfit. It's very freeing. And also these pants were my friend's pants that I took from him. His name is Sam, and I think he knows that I have them, but I'm bringing it to New York. I think they're cute. I have like a potential brunchy outfit, and then I feel like this outfit would look really good with like a leather shoe. Ooh, should I use these sunglasses with it? Does that look cute? Someone sat on these, obviously me. I feel like these are giving more brunch. Like, hello, pass me a mimosa. Leave the picture. Thank you. I think it's cute. Next. It's like similar to the first outfit because it is the same shorts, but this one's just like sweater vest with buttons. This just gives like an after brunch look when I change inevitably. And I also feel like I could wear this like going out. Like if I feel uncomfortable in anything kind of slutty, then I can like put this one on as like a default outfit. Yeah, that's something that I have to think about. Right? Like, let's say like my mood completely changes when I'm wearing just like a fishnet beaded shirt. I'm gonna need some alternative options. It's really about the vibe of the day, and the US can be kind of scary. And I also feel like I could wear this shirt to the office if I like wore pants with it and like a shirt underneath. And then, let's see. So I also recently got this kind of like sheer. So when I was in high school, American Apparel was a thing, and like chiffon was very popular for girls, and I thought it was really cute because it was like sheer. Now they finally have clothes like that for like men, which is great. It's like this cute like sheer top, kind of looks like the Northern Lights. I think it's cool. I feel like this would look cute with like a necklace, like a silver necklace, or like all my silver jewelry. Maybe not with these shorts, and definitely pants, black pants. I'm gonna do that, but yeah, for sure. Okay, and then last but not least, I'm also gonna be packing this crop tank with these booty shorts that I love to wear so much. I just think that it gives me cute 1980s gay icon look that I really want. I feel like this is like a cute party boy outfit. I'm packing like all of these things right now, but it doesn't mean that I dress like this all the time. When I am at work or in the office, dress pants, dress shirt, like my day drag. So I'm definitely gonna be bringing that with me. And then I'm also gonna be bringing just like a lot of gym clothes. I wear a lot of gym clothes. I like things that are just kind of like relaxed and free flowy. So on top of like all of this stuff, I'm gonna bring a few like normal outfits that I wear casually. I hope I have enough space in my luggage. I also wanna bring 5 pairs of shoes. Yeah, so that's basically what I'm going to be bringing to New York / Toronto in terms of like my going out outfits. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video and trying on these outfits with me. It was really fun kind of like getting dressed up and making a mess. Reid is calling me for dinner now, so I have to go. Bye.